Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hey signers, the holidays are here, and that means it's time for joyful songs and celebrations. Today, we're going to learn how to sign Jingle Bells in ASL.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
It's fun and easy, and you can share it with your family and friends. First, I'm going to teach you it line by line. Then I'll perform it all together at the end. If you want to skip straight to the performance, you can find it at this time. So let's get those hands ready and learn how to sign Jingle Bells. Okay, let's get started on Jingle Bells. Now the first line is jingle bells, jingle all the way. So what you're gonna do is you are going to sign bells, 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 just like that, because it's jingling all the way. And then you're going to get your dominant hand and come out like this. It's like from now on or from here on. So jingle bells, jingle all the way. Now the next line is, oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. So we're going to sign fun, ride. Our non-dominant hand is like the thing that we're riding in, and our dominant is our legs riding in it. Then we're going to sign horse, and then sleigh. And it's these two fingers, right, pulling back in. Sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Then it's repeated. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. So just like we did before, jingle bells, jingle all the way. And then, oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh, the same thing. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. All right, do we have that? Now, let's do this section with the music.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow.
All right, now the next line. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. So first what we're going to do is do the snow coming down. And remember that sleigh that we did? Well, we're going to move it through the snow, and then we'll sign that horse again, and it's going to gallop. Do we see that? We have the horse's legs, and they're galloping. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Then, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. So we're going to have that sleigh again, and it's going to go through the hills. So you can move it like this, or you can go up and down the hills. And then you're going to show laughing, just like this. O'er the hills we go, laughing all the way. Now, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Well, first we have our horses, and then the bells. Then it's making spirits bright, feel happy, and then the sign inspired. So, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Then the last line, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. So what you're going to do is do fun, that riding, and then sing night. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Now, let's put it all together. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh, O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Now, let's put that with this section of the music.
Sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Okay, and then the next section of the song is just like we did at the very beginning. So you're just going to repeat it. Now we're ready to do the whole song.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Fantastic job! You just learned how to sign Jingle Bells in ASL. Now you can spread holiday cheer in a whole new way. I would love to see you, or maybe your whole class, sign it. Post your video on social media and tag us. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.